Hi guys, it's Bri Teresi. I'm in Los Angeles, California today with my guest family, and I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks how to stay fit on the go.
This is never gonna be any good.
All right guys, well let's get started. We're going to do 2 sets of 10 of each of these exercises that are going to be engaging our legs and our glutes. So we're going to start off with sumo squats. So I have this kettlebell that's 7 pounds. You can use whatever you want. You don't even need to use a weight if you don't feel comfortable doing that. So I'm going to spread my legs about this far apart, and we want to make sure we're going down deep in our squat, and when we come up that we're squeezing our glutes, because that's how we're going to see results. Let's get started. So this is one of the best exercises you can do, and you can be doing this anywhere. In your hotel room, at your house, while you're watching TV, outside, really anywhere. I used to do this with the trainer all the time. So really make sure you're going deep and hold them sometimes. That's when it gets hard for sure. And squeeze your glutes when you come to the top. All right, our next exercise is going to be doing deadlifts. So we're gonna be about shoulder lengths apart for our feet, and we are gonna use a weight again on this. We come down and squeeze our glutes. So you wanna make sure your legs are slightly bent on this because you don't wanna hurt your back. And I know 7 pounds doesn't seem like a lot, but it's really good, especially if you're focused on toning. You don't need a ton of weight to tone your body. Even body weight works. Also guys, it is really important to stretch before and after you exercise because you don't want to get injured. Go down and squeeze at the top. This is really going to tone your glutes. All right guys, the last exercise we're gonna be doing today are gonna be split lunges. So these are probably my favorite exercise. You really feel it engaging your glutes, your legs. So I'm gonna grab a chair and we're gonna get started. So you want something about this high for when you do your lunges. So I'm gonna put one foot up, and I'm gonna be holding a weight in my left hand and put this hand up, and we're gonna be doing 10. You wanna make sure you're going down deep into your lunge and squeezing your glutes when you come to the top. And make sure to breathe, don't forget to breathe. I used to struggle with that all the time, and my trainer used to remind me, don't forget to breathe. Keep going. You're definitely gonna feel these. You feel them in your quads too. Okay, we're gonna switch legs. This is great for balance. It kind of tests your balance. Okay, 10 more. Go down deep. So on these, if you don't feel comfortable using a weight, you don't need to. These are great just with your body weight, and you can literally do this anywhere. All right guys, well, go ahead and run through all these exercises one more time if you want to see the best results. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I had such a great time. If you enjoyed watching this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon.